Hello YouTube. I don't usually make videos like this, but I want to make one because I'm going to disprove all you HAARP conspiracy theorists, dumbasses, who believe that these noises that are caused, like these noises, earth groaning in Dawson Creek, Canada, strange sounds in Conkiln, Alberta, January 12, 2012, this is not caused by HAARP, okay? That's what you people think. It's not. I'm going to prove to you. Okay? Let me see. Let's go through my history, okay? Let's see, which one is it? I'm trying to look for the article. Where is it? The article. Hold on. I'm trying to look for it. Come on. I believe this is it. Yeah. You see, okay, here we go. Oh my god, fuck this shit. Okay. Alright. Oh, this isn't it. Oh, okay. Well, what I can tell you, there was like another one, right? It was saying, talking about they heard strange noises, and then 11 hours later, there was a 5.0 magnitude earthquake. Now, that would kind of prove, according to some HAARP conspiracy theorists, that HAARP was the cause of that noise. No, it's not. Because let me tell you something. This January 12th, 2012. Oh, let's take a look at the U.S. Geological Survey for the whole world. Let's see if there's anything that happened in Canada. Any earthquakes that happened in Canada over the past week. Let's see. I like to go through this. It's a lot easier to go to there. Let's see. So here we go. I'm gonna bring up Canada. Zoom to North America. Not one earthquake has been reported or has been listed within the past week. Not one. And you're gonna blame it on HAARP. Please. HAARP is the ionospheric research program. It's to study ionosphere. There's no actual proof that it can cause earthquakes. There's no scientific evidence that it can. Think about it. It's just a conspiracy theory. There's no hardcore solid evidence that it does that. And I just proved it right now. Here we go. No earthquakes. So, to say this is caused by HAARP, you're an asshole. And you're a dumbass, too. Because this is not caused by HAARP. Oh, man. And it's been happening all over the world, very recently, too. There's a lot of it. All over the world, it's been happening very recently. I wish I can hear it myself, personally. It sounds pretty cool to listen to. Who knows? Who knows what it is? I doubt it's HAARP. I mean, HAARP seems like the most logical explanation, but it's not, because it would cause an earthquake, and there wasn't any earthquakes, so you can't blame it on HAARP. Thank you. I just wanted to say that because I hate all the people who believe in HAARP. They're such dumbasses. They'll believe anything. They really will. They'll believe anything. Well, just like to prove that. Alright. Sorry to rant, but this is not what I normally do, but I just have to fucking rant. Alright? Fuck you, all you dumb